What's up, YouTube folks? If you clicked on this, then you already know we're going to be taking some light scratches and scuffs out of the side of my 2018 Scatpack. So the first thing that I'm looking at, I'm on the back passenger door. And you can see it right there. Let's see if I can zoom in on this. That is a door scuff. It is where someone has opened their car door up onto this car. That actually makes it harder to see. But move my arm out the way. Right there. Alright, the next thing, I don't even know if y'all are going to be able to see this on the camera or not. Right here, you can faintly see there's a light scratch. I hope the camera, when I'm looking through the lens here, it looks like you can see it. Right there where the shadow of my finger is. Right up in there. And it's long. I can see it standing here a little bit better. It goes up and down the door here. So I'm going to be buffing that out. So what are we going to be using? Well, I use M205 Professional Ultra Finishing Polish. And I'm going to use this CCS, come on now. I'm going to use this CCS green fine polishing pad. So, Porter cable 7424XP. And as a wipe, I've got CarPro Eraser. And then once I'm done polishing to protect the panel, I'm going to put some reload back over the top of it. So let's see what I can do here. All right, so I've been through this before in another video on priming your pad. You want to make sure your pad is as lined up as possible, centered up. And I know I'm living dangerously. My backing plate is a 6-inch backing plate, so it's a little big for the pad. But I've already shaken this up. You want to make sure you shake it up real good. Give it another little shake. And what I like to do is go around the edges, and I'm priming the pad. Since I wash my pads out after each use, I go make sure that I got, product spread out on the pad. Work it into the pad. And I'm no professional detailer, but I do know how to use this polisher a little bit. All right, so now that it's primed up, I'm gonna go with 5 dots. How big are the dots? Well, wind up with 6. Not very big. It doesn't take very much. Had to go get my panel wipe, or not panel wipe, my Eco Shine to mist onto the panel. I'm gonna be running the buffer on speed 5. I'm gonna keep it flat onto the surface. Of course, just like any time that you polish anything. And that scratch runs along through here. That door ding's right in here. So I'm gonna do a larger area than what I have to. Put it on the car. All right, what I just did was spread it out. You always wanna make sure you get it spread out first, and then I'm gonna come back for my passes. Medium pressure. All right. Okay, so smooth, slow passes. That's what you want to do. And the way I like to do it is I'll go back and forth and then up and down. There are plenty of detailing videos out there that show you how to buff. This is just kind of showing progress on my car and how I do things. So let's see if I can get this door ding scratches out with a mere 2 passes. So I'm gonna take this eraser, spray it on, because I don't want to get fooled by anything that might be in this polish, any fillers or anything like that. So I take eraser, or you can use isopropyl alcohol, whatever you want to use. All right, my scratch is still right here. It looks like that scuff from the door ding is gone though. Let's see if I can bring the camera in. I don't know if you can see it. But it's right there. All right, so I'm gonna do another couple passes on this, and then I'm gonna move on to the door handle where I got a ding in the door handle. So I'm looking for my scratch. I know it is. See, it fades out right about here. So here we go. Speed 5, medium pressure. As you can see, I still got lots of product in the pad, so I wasn't polishing dry there. If you prime your pad good, you got a good amount of product in it. Every now and then you might have to miss the panel to get some moisture back on it, but a little bit of eraser. Make sure I get all the polishing stuff out. All right, so that got it. I'm really surprised that the door ding that was around in here was easier to get out than that light scratch. Scratch happened during the week. Somebody rubbed something up against the side of my car or something. So anyway, we're gonna go on. I got in the passenger side door handle, I've got a good one. We're gonna see if I can get it out. I think my pad may be too big to do it, but I'm still gonna try to get it out of the door handle. I might just be able to lighten it up. All right, on to the next one here on the door handle. I'm pretty sure you can see this. That's a scratch. That's a pretty decent one too. But it's on a door handle, and it looks like it's deep enough that I need to use my orange CCS cutting pad, which I only have a 6-inch pad for that. Or a 6.5-inch pad, I'm sorry. So I've already primed it, and I use this M105 Ultra Cut compound, and I'm gonna go over it lightly, probably a couple times, and then see what it looks like. All right, so I've got you in here about the best way that I can, and I'm gonna see how big this pad is compared. Whew. All right, so speed, I'm just gonna leave it on 5 and go light to medium pressure. It's how much dust. That's why I don't like using M105, but it works so well, it just dust a lot. That actually done fairly well. And you know, this is a random orbital polisher, so I don't think it's going to burn the edges. So I'm gonna give it one more try with this, and then I'm gonna go back over it with the green pad and some polish, and I guess call it a day for this one. All right, so I mean that looks, it's almost gone. It's barely noticeable, only from a couple angles. So what I'm gonna do is switch out to this polishing pad. Having another drop or two. Flip my towel. Check this out. I know it looked like that was dusting pretty good too, but I mean, you saw on the other side of the car that the 205 doesn't dust near as bad as what the 105 does. It's just over here. It's on this handle, so it made both of them work. So put a little bit of eraser on here, or you can use, again, isopropyl alcohol. That's what you want to use. That's what you have. Get inside my jam here. Got some dust in there. Get this camera and bring y'all in. All right. A couple different angles here. Cleaned up very nicely. There you have it for that one. All right, so that was just, you know, short video for you guys of how I get rid of some light scratching and stuff that happens on the cars. I still haven't really polished this vehicle yet and did a ceramic coating. I do plan on doing that in the near future, probably in the next month or so. So stay tuned to them videos. But overall, I like that. That worked out good. I've got one chip here on the other side to bring you. All right, so there she is right there. So when I go and do the ceramic coating, I'm gonna be using Dr. Color Chip, filling that in, and then polishing over the top of it. Fixing that in this door right here. But anyway, thanks everybody for watching the video. If you got any questions, comments, concerns about this video, leave them down below. Remember to like this video and subscribe for more. Thanks.